These are some payment proofs: $100, $200, $300, and even $400 earned per day with typing jobs. And the best part is you can do it from anywhere in the world. As you can see, people from different countries around the world are earning money from this site. And it's completely free, meaning you don't have to invest any money to make money. You just need a laptop, computer, or a mobile phone to do this job. You can be a complete beginner and can still make $400 per day by just typing. And the good thing is that I will show you not only one but two websites where you can start earning by just typing words online. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will show you a secret way to make money without doing the actual work. And this method is my favorite one, because with that secret method, you will be able to make pure passive income which you can use to travel the world, go on a vacation, or maybe start some new businesses online. Okay, so first of all I want you to come over to this very important site, which is typingtest.com, where you can take a 1-minute typing test and can check your typing speed. For this, you have to click on typing test and you will be taken to this page where you can see check your typing skills in a minute, type away to join 150 million plus test takers. Here you can choose the test timing from 1 minute to 10 minutes. Also, you can select the level of typing test, from the easy text level to the advanced text level. I want you to select the 1-minute test and medium text level for this video. The best part is you can take this test on your smartphone also. Just click on Start Test to start typing the test. From there you will be taken to this page. As you can see, they have a timer right here which is 1 minute. It will calculate your speed of typing. For example, if I start typing words, the test will start and the timer will start running. Once you complete the test, it will show you how fast you are typing. It will show you the WPM, which is words per minute you type, accuracy in your typing, and the net speed after WPM and accuracy. Now, if you go back to the homepage and click on typing courses, they will provide you free training to help you increase your typing speed. The reason why I want you to improve your typing skills in this video is that I am going to show you the sites that can make you money typing. And the faster you type, the more money you can make. Now I am going to show you those websites where you can earn money by simply typing. So this is going to be the very first website on our list. This is 2captcha.com. This is one of the trusted sites and it is here for a long time. Here you can see order captchas and work for 2captcha. We will select the work for 2captcha because we are here to make money by typing. As you can see here, you can work from home or anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you will get instant payments and it's easy to start. Now, click on Learn More and it will take you to the next page where you can read how the 2captcha works and how we can make money with them. The good thing is that you can withdraw the earnings as soon as you earn 50 cents. To register on this site you have to click on the sign up button on the top right corner of the website. From there you will be taken to this page where you have to fill in your valid email address, create your password, and confirm the password. Then check this terms of service and privacy policy box. And hit continue to register. Or if you want, you can directly register with your Gmail or Facebook account with one click of a button. After you submit the details, 2captcha will send you the confirmation mail on your email. Make sure you check the spam folder also because sometimes the confirmation mail is sent to the spam folders. Click the link to confirm your email address. After that you can simply log into your account. Once you log in, the dashboard of the website will look like this. And here you will find 3 options: developer, worker, and customer. Make sure it is selected as worker when you start working on this site. Here you will be able to see your total earnings. And here you will be able to see the other stats of your account. To make money by typing, you have to click on the Start Work option and you will be taken to this page. As you can see, you are in the training mode right now. Actually, 2captcha will provide you with the training first, and once you complete the training, you will be given the actual work. This is because they want to train you for the real work so that you make little to no mistakes in the actual work. To start the training you have to click on the Start button. After that you have to write this captcha in this box under this captcha and then press enter on your keyboard or click on send button right here. Now you have to submit all these captchas and after that you will be provided with the actual work and you can start making real money. I would also like to show you something which will make you more money. As you can see this affiliate program on 2captcha.com. You can simply refer and earn money without actually doing any work yourself. This is your referral code, and here you can track your referrals and earnings from them. Basically 2captcha will give you 10% of the earnings of your referrals. For example, if all your referrals earn $1,000, you will get 10% of $1,000, which is $100 as a referral commission. You can promote your link to Facebook groups to refer people and earn money. I will explain this on second website, so keep watching. Now the second website on our list is megatypers.com. This site started in 2012, and it is here for more than 10 years. It is one of the trusted sites when it comes to making money with typing jobs online. And also you can see that this site is powered by Google Translate, which is a Google-owned company. Here also you get paid to solve the CAPTCHAs. As you can read here, all you need to have to work with us is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Typing 10 words in a minute is very easy. If you don't believe me, just check your chatting speed on a smartphone. I can bet you that you type more than 10 words in a minute while chatting with your friends. Also you can see that you can be a mother, a parent, a student, or people in between jobs and you can still work with Megatypers. Now to register yourself on megatypes.com, you just have to click on free sign-up option right here. The registration process on Megatypers is a complicated process, so I need your complete attention for this part. You have to submit your valid email ID, create your password, fill in your name, and then select your payment type. I usually prefer PayPal, but you can also receive the payment in Western Union, Perfect Money, WebMoney, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. But bear in mind that you cannot change the payment type later. So make sure you select the correct payment method. To successfully register yourself on Megatypers you need an invitation code. You can use G54N for the same, and let me know in the comments if you need a new invitation code. Then just check this box and also check the I am not a robot box and click on register. They will send you an account application link to your email ID. Just click on that link to activate your account and then you can log into your account. This will be the dashboard. And if you scroll down a little you will be able to see your stats for today, yesterday, this week, and the last week. Now I want you to click on start working to make money online with CAPTCHAs. And you can see that the work has already started. Now you have to type this text in this box within the mentioned seconds over here. And after typing the CAPTCHA, you have to press enter on keyboard and the next CAPTCHA will appear. And if you want to take a break, you have to type the CAPTCHA in the box and after that click on this submit and pause button. After that you will be taken to this pause page. Now to continue after the break you can click on this green box and the job will continue again. But I would like to show you one thing here. As you can see here the Megatypers also have the affiliate program. Some of their affiliates are earning over $3,000 per month. You can also earn like this. You just have to click on the affiliates option on the left-hand side and then choose codes. From there you will be taken to this page where you can create your 10 referral codes to earn the affiliate commission. Just click on add new code. You can leave this box blank because it is optional. And you can directly click to save code and this will generate the new code which you can use to refer people to this site and earn 10% of their earnings as a commission by doing nothing. And you can promote this code also to the Facebook Make Money Online groups. You can simply create a post in these groups similar to this one post. You can stop the video and read this post. And when someone will ask you about the website, just share with them the affiliate link of the 2captcha.com and the megatypers.com and your referral code for megatypers.com to join. And in this way you can make anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000 in 1 month as an affiliate commission. Now to learn the secret method to earn pure passive income without actually doing the work, click on the video showing on the screen. Peace out.